Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Dalayna Angelique back with another video, and I know I haven't been on YouTube in forever. I say this every time, so let me not even play. I know I haven't been here, but I'm here to talk about my hair. If you have looked at my tapered TWA video, how I texturize a TWA, go check those out to see how short my hair actually was, because I did do a big chop, but I did not film that. I just kind of been filming how I've been maintaining my short haircuts, and what I did to maintain those haircuts, and my hair in general being natural. But this is my first time having this length of hair and actually been totally natural. I don't know if I mentioned this in previous videos where I talked about why I cut my hair, but I've had a relaxer since I can guess and be like 5. So I never really had to deal with my natural hair. I just remember like when my mom would try to comb my hair, I would just cry. And I've always been terrified of my real like natural hair at like a longer length, if that makes any sense. Like out of a short haircut, I just feel like I can't deal with it. Like once I get some length on it, I'm not gonna be able to handle it. I was scared that I'm probably gonna end up relaxing my hair again, but surprisingly enough, it's not as bad as I thought. So I'm gonna be talking about what products I'm not using, what I'm still using or not, whatever, not using, and yeah, what's worked for me, what hasn't, and lessons that I've learned while being natural. So if that interests you, keep watching this video and let's get into it. So to start off, the last time that I cut my hair was September of 2017. So it's about the end of September. So I want to say it's been about a year since I cut my hair. I'm going to say my hair doesn't grow like other people's hair. I want everybody to understand like it's okay that your hair doesn't grow like right away, speedy. It's not down your back in a year. People's hair grow different. And I know I had to tell myself that. I always knew that my hair is not the type to grow super fast. But I think this is a decent length. When I started growing out my hair, like choosing not to cut it, I did experience like a struggle period. And I want to say that was like in October. I don't know if because the weather was starting to change here in California, but it's like I have an issue with this part of my hair where it can get really, really, really dry, brittle, and just break. And that's the reason why I cut all of my hair off in the first place, because that spot in my hair was just not growing. It was breaking. I had hair that was here, but if you lift up the sides, I had a patch like this big of just broken, damaged hair. So that kind of started happening again. I don't know what the problem was, but it was just dry, brittle. It wasn't working out. So I started wearing wigs. My hair wasn't even long enough at that time to even braid. I just threw a wig on, I think. Kind of try to slick it back. I don't know if I did try to braid. I don't know, but it's just, I know there's pictures. I'll try to post a picture, but oh, take a look at one of my first synthetic wig videos. It was that wig that I wore in October. That was going on a trip. And from then on, I was just, on synthetic wigs, as you have seen by my other videos. I've just been wearing wigs since October, off and on. October, I didn't wear it the whole month. I wore it for like 2 weeks and had my hair out because I had like a photo shoot to do for a friend. But in that experience, I just realized my hair wasn't moisturized enough. And my biggest thing that I've always had a problem with, even when I had a relaxer, is I hate combing my hair with a passion. Like, honestly, it is, to me, it just, the thought of it, I just cringe. Like, oh, it's gonna hurt. Like, and I just wouldn't comb my hair out. Like, my mom used to be so mad at me. She's like, comb your hair out before I braid it. And I'd be like you half-ass do something, use my fingers to kind of try to rake through it. It would just be bad. So I realized I wasn't combing out my hair and it wasn't moisturized enough. So it was just like, when I would comb it out or would wash it, there would be like a lot of shedding. It was all bad. But since I have been braiding it and putting it under wigs for the last few months. It's done really, really, really well. Like every time it's time for me to undo my braids, wash my hair, and have my mom or someone braid it up, my mom just noticed like, wow, like your hair is actually long enough to braid. Like it's getting easier and easier and easier and easier to braid. But I was in denial, like, nah, mom, I'm so bald headed. Like, what you talking? No, you don't gas me up. I'm bald. I'm bald. But for the first time, I've been wearing my hair out for, I want to say, 2 weeks. I want to say it's been like 2 weeks and a half right now that my hair has been out. I've been doing like wash and goes and stuff. And I definitely see the length. I'm going to insert a picture of where I think my hair is. I'm going to do a length check real quick because I think it's about the same length it was when I had cut my hair in like 2016. I cut it into like this bob. I'm going to post. I can find one. So my hair is about in the back. It's reaching to right here. The sides, let me do this side because this side's drier. The sides go to right here. And then the front of my hair reaches about right here. So for me, that's progress. So you a little lengthy, you know what I'm saying? I've been bald for like, when I did do my big chop, it's been 2 years. I cut my hair like 2 years ago and I maintained that. No, 3 years ago. I lied. Cut my hair like 3 years ago and I kept my hair cut for 2 years because I was just terrified. So what I used to wash my hair is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil shampoo. Now I know I was on Carol's Daughter Real Tough. If you look at, I want to say my is it my taper TWA? Or how I textured my hair, whatever. One of those videos, I talk about how, you know, I'm in love with Carol's Daughter, the what is that? The black vanilla line or whatever, or whatever it is. And what I noticed was the leave-in conditioner started making my hair feel weird. Like, I don't know how to describe it, but it was just feeling so weird and brittle and I don't know, hated it. It would ruin, I just feel like it ruined my hair. The conditioner for the Carol's Daughter, the black vanilla line, conditioner still is really, really good. But I just want to switch it up. The shampoo, I guess it's shampoo. I don't know. I don't say the shampoo was bad, but I feel like once my hair takes to something, I don't know, maybe it doesn't like it. I don't know. After a while, once it gets used to it, it just seemed like my hair wasn't doing as great as it could have. Like, I just saw room for improvement. But definitely the thing that I don't recommend is that leave-in conditioner. I don't know. It was cool at first. I think when my hair was short, see, I always had to wash my hair so like maybe it didn't bother me. But it's just, when it got longer, that residue it left, it was too much. So I switched over to Shea Moisture. And this shampoo I've used before, which I like. I don't know why I stopped using it. I think I just switched to Carol's Daughter or whatever. I even use the Intense Hydration, what is that? Conditioner from the Manuka Honey line. Love that stuff. I use the conditioner, and then I have this leave-in milk, which is pretty thick. It's a thicker consistency, so I don't use it all the time because it can weigh your hair down. But when I tell you, give some moisture to your hair is dry and brittle, this right here will bring it back. Another thing that I use is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore Smoothie. I always put this in my hair immediately after I wash and condition my hair when I'm about to do braids for my wigs. So this is bomb.com. This does keep your hair moisturized under those under your wig, you know, your braids. When you take out your braids, you can still feel the moisture from this. Like, I totally recommend this. This goes crazy. So continue with that. Oldie but goodie, we all know what this is. You see the color, the container, you know what it is. It's the Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I stopped using this when I had my short haircut, and I started using the Miss Jessie's Coily Custard. I like the way my curls look with this, but I hate the what is that? The flaking. It flakes bad, and I don't know if I'm doing something wrong. And if y'all know, tell me. I don't know if I'm putting too much, but it starts when it dries up and it gets a little, oh, you go to sleep, you wake up. It ain't right. I don't know how to describe it. It's just not right. But today I did a wash and go, and I used this and some Eco Styler. And I know what y'all gonna say. I know Eco Styler, you know, it's canceled for some. Understand. However, I'm new to the game, and it's working right now. I'm liking these results better than my last wash and goes have been looking like. So, and again, don't come for me if you be like, oh, your wash and go is busted. What is you talking about? I'm new, but it's all right to me. Like, I'm proud of myself because I actually sat and detangled it and made this happen. So, don't come for me. Another product that I use is also from the Jamaican Black Castor Oil line is their edge treatment. I just felt like, you know, wearing wigs, well, frontals, your edges, you know, it's it's real sensitive. You can lose your edges with frontals. They are dangerous. You don't know what you're doing. So, and I'm not no expert, so I use this to be safe. I like the way it holds my hair. I think it's nourishing for your hair. It's not super like drying. I noticed that when I use a combination of that and Eco Styler to lay my hair down. And it works. I like the results. It feels moisturized, it doesn't feel dry, and it doesn't even flake up too bad. So I like that definitely. So when I take my braids down, I use Diva Curl No Comb Detangling Spray. This right here goes crazy. Like, let me have y'all take a better look. So that product is major key. Like, I have box braids, my braids under my wigs. Like, this helps so much. When I tell you guys I'm so tender-headed and I hate combing my hair, this helps so much. Like, I'm almost gone because I use a lot just to make sure, you know, we don't have no issues, because I can't deal with the snagging. And it's great. I used to, when I first got it, I just used a comb. And then I realized I had this knockoff Denman brush in my drawer. And you guys can go to, I remember my friend when I was in college, we got this our freshman year. Mind you, I've been a year out of college. Our freshman year, my friend was like, oh, get this brush, girl. Like, it's great for your hair. We was at the 99-cent store. And I was like, okay. And they have like 6 rows in the brush. Let me get. So here's the brush. Excuse the hair that's in the brush. Like I said, just got through hooking my hair up in the first place. So when we first got it, it had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 rows of bristles. No, she didn't tell me, like, girl, you will want to remove some. So I didn't use this brush for years because I tried it and I was just like, now look, this is pulling out my hair. This ain't gonna work. So I thought it was just stupid. But then I was like, something tells me you can remove these. So I went on YouTube and people's like, yeah, you remove them, the bristles from the regular Denman brushes. So I was just like, let me try to slit it out. Lo and behold, long story short, you can remove the bristles. I took out about 4 rows of bristles, and this right here also, game changer, life changer. This is the single-handedly, I'll say, the reason why well, not single-handedly, because I think all these products make a difference, but this is definitely like one of the main things that is allowing me to keep my hair out, because I'm actually detangling my hair, and my hair is combed out, and it's just great. Like, it makes a world of difference, I have to say. Like, using this brush, a knockoff Denman brush, regular Denman brush, whatever you have, definitely makes a whole difference. And so, like I said, today, just a curl enhancing smoothie and the Eco Styler. And for the Eco Styler, I don't know if it matters for some people, I just have the argan oil eco styler. I've used the olive oil. To me, it's all the same. I'm not gonna lie to you, but that's what I use today. Those two products, I think it looks pretty good. My hair is still drying, so that's why it is wet on the side. This has taken me literally all day to do thing there, but yeah, still drying. I might have used too much product. I'm learning. I OD, like I might have OD, but it's gonna dry eventually. I think it looks okay. It's not styled. This is just right after I finished it. It's not in any particular style at all. It hasn't been picked out because my hair is not dry all the way. I don't want to pick out and then it frizzes up and it's going to be a hot mess. And yeah, so you can see it straight up what it is for right now. So for right now, that is all the tips. Oh, I can say this. The biggest thing that I took away from this experience is to learn, you love your hair. Like, learn to love your hair for what it is. I know when I was younger, I used to be, I guess I can say, like, envious of girls with, let's say, like, type 3C, 4, even 4A, 3C, the 3 category of hair types. I used to be kind of envious of their hair because I was like, oh, their hair is so pretty. It's so much easier to manage. It's just, their hair grows faster. It's just this, that, blah, 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 blah. But I just didn't know how to manage my own hair. I think my hair, and it's like being older and really being able to deal with it, taking the time to learn. It's all about taking the time. If you're lazy and you want to be lazy, it ain't going to work for you. This is time consuming, but it's worth it. It's worth enjoying your natural hair. I'm not saying that I'm going to keep my hair out forever. I'm sure going to put a wig on this weekend. But just the learning experience of seeing how my hair can flourish, and I'm going to enjoy the ride of seeing how long, you know, my hair gets, because my hair has only gotten to about, right, well, my hair was longer as a kid, but as a kind of a grown-up, my hair got to be right here. Child, longer, but since I was taking care of it, here. And yeah, so I'm just enjoying the ride. Like I said, biggest thing is about detangling my hair, loving my hair, conditioning my hair, moisturizing my hair. Most important thing. So if this helps you in any type of way, eat that up. If you have any questions, comment down below. If this video helps motivate you to continue on this natural journey, because I'm telling you, it is hard. You second guess yourself all the time. I thought about cutting my hair off many of times. The first wash and go I did, I was just like, I don't know if I can do this. Maybe I gotta cut my hair off. You know, if this video helps motivate you to keep your hair, keep going on this journey, keep seeing what natural hair is gonna be like this video, keep supporting. I'll definitely do more updates, more length checks, because girl, you know, we kind of lengthy. You know what I'm saying? We kind of lengthy or whatever. So if you enjoyed this video, please, please, please like, subscribe, comment, show me some love. Let me act like I'm a real YouTuber like that. Turn that bell notification thing on so you can get notified when I post a video, whenever I do post a video. And I just really appreciate your support. So I will see you in my next video.